Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add crossplay friends on Apex Legends. So it's going to be extremely simple. Basically the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you navigate through your game setting. And basically from here, just make sure that the crossplay is enabled, but that's not going to be available in every Apex Legends versions out there. But if you have the crossplay option, just make sure that you basically turn it on. Now to finally add your crossplay friends, just click on the invite friends option, and from here click find friend, and simply all you have to do is to go ahead and enter the username or the name of the actual account of your crossplay friends right here. And simply after finding your friend from there, you're basically good to go. You could go ahead and queue into a match together, and that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.